How's it going, Noah? What's up? What's up? Welcome back, Dustin. What's going on, Johnny? Final box. Final inner case coming up in just a couple minutes. Ready to go. What's up, Jason? Good evening to you as well. Howdy, Brian. I agree. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get started. At least get the box open and get these ready. And then I'll check one more time to see if anybody else is trying to join the group. Welcome to the final inner case of 2013 Black. We got a lot of shipping to do tonight. Got all the cards sorted from the previous breaks and packaged up for everybody. And once this is done, I'll sort and package these up as well and have them all ready to go tomorrow. See if I can pull another Andrew Luck auto. Since there's only 10 of them, I don't think I'm going to. Yeah, it's the last one, Adam. The last eBay break. I had 2 of them posted up for today. Honestly, I posted 3 breaks for this weekend. I still have, I actually have 2 more full cases of this. So I have 6 more inners. Somebody was asking about just doing a full case break. I might set that up at some point. Still got a lot of stuff, other stuff though. I still got Immaculate, I got Panini 1, I got a 1 box to select, I got 15 Signature Series, 2013 Select. I got some Rookies and Stars, I got a lot of stuff. Dude, I pulled Cowboys in like every case of this, basically. I actually forgot to take pictures of the last break and they're all packaged up now. I did pull a Cowboy redemption. I pulled an Andrew Luck redemption auto in the last case. The one I just did today. Oh, hang on one sec. I got a knock at the door. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I had a food delivery. Nah, it's cool, Jason. It doesn't matter. I waited for the the break that I finished yesterday. Usually I ship out the same day. But I'm going to be going through the whole process anyway, so it's no biggie. Just get everybody done all at once. They're already ready to go pretty much, except for this break. All right, here we go, everybody. Good luck. Let me check one more time, make sure nobody's trying to join the group. New members. No new member requests, so I think we're good. Let me set my autofocus. Okay. All right, so my usual spiel, because we do have a couple new people in this break that weren't in the previous breaks. Panini is honoring redemptions from expired products again. Sorry, I know that wrapper's loud. They were changing their policy to not honor expired redemptions. Enough people complained, so they are honoring them now if they have them in stock. So there are a lot of redemptions in this. All right, first up, we got Lance Briggs out of $3.99. 35 out of $3.99 going to the Bears. And nobody skunks as usual. Deshaun Goldson, $2.31 out of $3.99 for the Bucks. If you don't get a hit in this, I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards. I know some of you are like, I hear that every time. There's a couple new people. So Russell Shepard going to the Bucks, $1.89 out of $3.99. Jaron Brown for the Cardinals, $2.39 out of $3.99. Yes, I will combine the shipping costs. I don't keep track of that outright, so just send me a message if you overpaid for shipping and I'll refund you the shipping costs. There's too many breaks and too many teams to keep up with it. Richard Sherman, $1.86 out of $3.99 for the Seahawks. If you were in breaks today and yesterday and you let me know before tonight, I will make sure you only pay a flat rate for shipping. Travis Kelce to the Chiefs, 32 out of 49, gold parallel. I don't actually look at the list of costs that were paid. I just make sure everybody's paid. 32 out of 49, gold parallel. It's nice. All right, first hit, RPA, 206 out of 299. Stedman Bailey, single color relic on card auto going to the Rams. Nice autograph on that one. These guys used to sign such nice autographs back in the day. Some of them did anyway, probably more than do today. The Rams, that one's going to Ginger, or Jason. Or Jason, I should say. Wait, who was that? No, they back to back. Stedman Bailey again. This one's the jersey one, though. 56 out of 99 with the frame jersey window auto. That's funny. Back to back Stedman Bailey. I guess it's technically not a duplicate since it's a completely different card. That is funny, though. Going to the 49ers, 5 out of 25. BJ Daniels. Sorry, that goes to the Seahawks. They caught me again. I'm usually pretty good with that. Signed by the Seahawks, October 2nd. Says Seahawks above the black logo there. Goes to the Seahawks. I'm usually pretty good about that, but they tricked me on that one with the jersey and helmet. Going to the Seahawks, BJ Daniels. You're welcome. Thank Panini. Oh, you can thank me as well, even though it's not my fault. All right, we got Deion Jordan going to the Dolphins. That's 124 out of 299. Rookie patch. We got E.J. Manuel going to the Bills. Huge napkin, 22 out of 25. Bills are almost a lock to hit in this product. I think it's almost impossible to skunk if you have the Bills. Going to the Vikings, Cordarrelle Patterson, 10 out of 10. That patch does not do a card numbered out of 10 a super short print justice. That is pretty weak for a patch, but 10 out of 10. It's nice for the Vikings. It is a super short print. It's not bad, not bad. Super short print, 10 out of 10. eBay 101 if you want to call it that. I hate that, but still looking for a big Vikes head. At least you got a 10 out of 10 here. Not a big one, but still looking for the big one. We got Manti Te'o, one of the Chargers. Rookie. Metal rookies. That's the wrong penny sleeve. Vikings can be hard to hit in this product too. When they do, it's usually a nice one. Alright, box number 1 completed. We're on to box number 2. Technically it's not numbered, but the second box of the break. Anquan Bolden going to the Niners, 65 out of 399. Going to the Giants, JPP, 120 out of 399. Can't tell if he's got all his fingers or not in that photo. Rookie, Dennis Johnson for the Texans, 387 out of 399. Rookie for the Cardinals, Kevin Minter, 259 out of 399. Patrick Peterson going to the Cardinals, 327 out of 399. Michael Cox going to the Giants, 21 out of 49, gold parallel. We got Ryan Nassib going to the Giants. 39 out of 49 on card auto. Giants is Mark. DeAndre Hopkins. Boom. 4 out of 99 on card auto. I would say that's a 2-color patch because I'm sure that there's a third color just underneath them stitchings right there, but I'd probably call that a 2-color. I'd venture to say that's a 3-color patch myself. Going to the Texans. Rookie patch auto. That's a nice one right there. Going to Aaron. That's a nice hit. 4 out of 99 with an on-card auto. Nice one. Put that at the bottom of the pile for the highlight reel. Very nice, very nice. Phillip Thomas going to the Redskins. 14 out of 99. Redskins seem to hit in every one of these breaks as well. Going to Justin. I just opened these top loaders and they got dust on them already. It's like they come from the factory that way. 14 out of 99 for Justin. Yeah, that's my life there, Lucas. So I feel the same way. I mean, I usually pick the Eagles because I'm an Eagles fan, but I dabble. You know, I pick other teams, and it's usually the wrong one. Timothy Wright going to the Bucks. 22 out of 199. Yeah, I remember one of the last breaks that I missed the Steelers on was flawless. I missed it by literally seconds, probably less than 5 seconds. And it ended up with a Roethlisberger 1/1 auto. Shield. 22 out of 199. And that was not fun. It wasn't fun for me to miss that because I tried to get them. Tavon Austin going to the Rams. 19 out of 99. Rookie patch. That was pretty bad for me, actually. Not really a Steelers fan, but I like Steelers cards, and that's just the story of my life. Yeah, that's how Adam is with the Cowboys. He's, you know, he tries to get the Cowboys as often as he can, and when he misses it is when the biggest Cowboys card comes out. I feel for him. He's gotten some nice ones, but the biggest one I ever pulled was that quad auto. All the 4 big quarterbacks. Kenbrell Tompkins going to the Patriots. Metal Rookies is the metal card. I feel you, though. I do feel you. You just got to pick and choose. You know, you got to pick your battles. And if you're like me, you'll just always be wrong when you pick your battles. All right, 2 boxes down. We got 3 to go. Couldn't help. Score it at the top. Well, that really is a numbers game, right? The more you buy, the better your odds. But it also decreases your chances of getting value because you're investing more money in it. Colin Kaepernick, 395 out of 399 for the Niners. One printing plate. Is that Hopkins? Ed Reed. That didn't even look like a Jet. Ed Reed going to the Jets. 1/1 printing plate. Oh, that's right, because it was a trade. Traded to the Jets, or signed by the Jets on 11/14/2013. Nice 1/1 plate there for the Jets. Jets is Dustin. Hopefully I'll remember to take pictures of this break because I messed up on the last one. I don't think that even takes place of a hit. That's just one of the base cards. Deion Sims for the Dolphins, 236 out of 399. Jaron Brown for the Cardinals, 321 out of 399. Going to the Bears, Tim Jennings, 17 out of 399. Yeah, I find that for me, just grabbing a random team in a random teams break is where I get the most luck. I don't know why. Because you end up getting a team you didn't expect to hit. Brad Sorensen for the Chargers, 2 out of 49 gold parallel. Had the weirdest hits. I think I had a huge hit with the Dolphins once, and like the Titans, which are teams I almost never pick up. Another Ryan Nassib for the Giants. This one's a RPA, 69 out of 99. All right, giggity you. Single color, on card auto. Another one for the G-Men. Mark, there you go. Marquise Goodwin going to the Bills. Stills are always hitting. 14 out of 99. With a 9-year-old autograph. 9 years old signature there. He never really learned how to sign an autograph. At least not a nice one. But it's his. It's his signature. So 14 out of 99. Buffalo. Mark. Back-to-back hits for Mark. Juwan Jameson going to the Redskins. 15 out of 25. Gold parallel rookie auto. Yeah, you hit some. The Bills hit like a couple of cards in the last break, right? 15 out of 25. I just finished sorting them. You think I'd remember. I know you got a couple packs of cards right here that I'm going to be enveloping up after this break. 15 out of 25. Redskins. Justin. Tyrann Mathieu going to the Cardinals. That's 55 out of 99. Going to Mark. 3 hits in this box already for Mark. If he had the Redskins, he would have hit all the autos. Giovanni Bernard going to the Bengals. 232 out of 299. Single color relic. Cincinnati tends to hit in every break too, at least a relic. Metal card. Metal captains. Reggie Wayne going to the Colts. Two left. Still got something in here for you, Lucas. It's coming. What do you have in this? I don't even know. I see the Browns and the Bears. Browns and the Bears. Those are your two. I don't see very many hits coming out for either of those teams in this break. In this product, I should say. I'm actually a little bit surprised with the Bears not hitting more. All right, we got Chad Greenway going to the Vikings, 261 and a 399. Alfred Morris going to the Redskins, 11 out of 399. I know I'm going to get you something. 347 out of 399. Kenny Vaccaro going to the Saints. I just have that feeling. It's going to be something in here. B.J. Daniels for the Seahawks. 41 out of 399. Seahawks. Aha, they didn't get me that time with the jersey. Caught it. Caught that one. 41. Navarro Bowman, 58 out of 399 for the 49ers. Trent Richardson, 12 out of 25. That's weird to see one out of 25. They're usually out of 49. That's a prism, I guess, prism parallel or a silver parallel. What do you got, Noah? Who are you looking for? The Falcons? I think the Falcons are coming. Let's see what happens here. We do have a redemption coming up. I can see that ahead. Another one for the Bills. E.J. Manuel. 3-color patch. 240 out of 299 with an on-card auto. If you ever want to guarantee yourself a hit, or almost guarantee, there's no guarantees. You want to increase your odds, pick the Bills in this product because they are always in it. 240 out of 299 mark. We got a redemption here. We got Blitty Ray Wilson going to the Titans for Dick. 2 of 5. Super short print. Black parallel. That's nice. 2 out of 5. I don't know the guy, but that's a cool card. I can't even get the black parallel, so you can't even see the name down there. But there's the name. Blitty Ray Wilson. 2 of 5. The rich get richer. Another one for the Bills. Steve Johnson. 48 out of 299. Single color relic. Should be game used. Game worn material. Which card was the one you were asking for last break? Was that the Bills card right there? Steve Johnson, 48 out of 299. Sorry, it's all about the random, man. It's all about the random. That's why I picked the boxes randomly, so nobody thinks there's any kind of rigging going on or anything. Marcus Wheaton going to the Steelers. 181 out of 299. Sometimes it just doesn't work out for you, though. That's my thing, this with the randoms. That's why I don't like Razes, because I just get screwed. Rookie Onyx. Relic for the Steelers. Oh, the EJ, yeah. Alright, we'll do the metal card. It's Darren McFadden for the Raiders. Metal Captains. And then we got the Redemption coming up. Redemption Song. Metal Captains for the Raiders. And then we got this Redemption. I haven't seen it either, so we'll witness it together. Let's this be to Adrian Peterson again. Won't be Adrian Peterson, because we got Rookie Signature Materials Prime card number 230. Shabam. Quinton Patton. I'm going to have to look that one up because I don't know. I don't know. 2013 black. Quinton Patton. 49ers. Going to the 49ers. Excuse me. 49ers. Quinton Patton. San Fran. It's another one that hits pretty much in every break. I've seen him skunk once, I think. Sean with the Niners. We are on to the last box. I know a bunch of you guys are looking for cards, so hopefully I can pull them for you here. Like I always say, breaking is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Or not get. I just open the packs. I do not put the cards in them. If I did, everybody would get a hit. All right, good luck, everyone. Last box. Ben Roethlisberger, 139 out of 399. Dwayne Bowe, 365 out of 399 for the Chiefs. Or Bowie. I don't know if it's Bowe or Bowie. I don't remember. Tennessee Titans, Blitty Ray Wilson, 299 out of 399. There's that guy again. Nick Kassah, 3 out of 399, going to the Raiders. That's true. That's true. The Broncos are hiding in this break. I didn't even think about that. I didn't catch that one. They come out a lot, too. Sam Montgomery to the Texans, 203 out of 399. Barcavius Mingo to the Browns. 37 out of 49 gold parallel. Semi-short print. Told you I'd get you at least something. Get you a little something. I know it's not what you're looking for, but there's a little, there's like a nibble there for you, Lucas. Just a little nibble. 37 out of 49 gold parallel. Somebody asking for the Broncos. Broncos are no longer hiding. 4 out of 25. Monty Ball with a 3-color patch. RPA out of 25. Monty Ball. Broncos are out of the hiding, and they're out in the open now. Denver. There you go, Kevin. Yeah, Barcavius Mingo's in most of these breaks, actually. We got 67 out of 99. Niall Davis going to the Chiefs. Going to Brian. That's an on-card auto. 67 out of 99. Nice card. John Bostic going to the Bears. 22 out of 25. Lucas, there you are, sir. Didn't I tell you? I told you I was going to get you something. 25 gold parallel. So you got the gold version out of 25. Not a huge name, but it is something. No skunk for you. No skunk for you, sir. Sticker auto, 22 out of 25. Schrodinger's cat, remember? I willed the box to change for you, the contents of it. Last auto, Lamar Miller going to the Dolphins, 21 out of 25 gold. It's not the last card, but that is the last auto of the break, unless they sneak one into this pile back here. We still got a couple of cards left, but the last two I think are going to be relics. 22 out of 25, Lamar Miller. Miami is Paul. There you go, Paul. It's a nice gold parallel. Lamar Miller was a huge prospect. He should have done more. All right, we got Ultra Super Dirty relic here. 72 out of 99. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis for the Bengals. That thing is dirty as hell. That is game-worn material. Clearly game-worn. You know they're not lying about that one. Unless he wore it in a practice. But that is a dirty patch right there. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. Super dirty. Looks like it's not even white. It's like the color is correct on that. Here, I got something white. Put this. See, this is a white piece of paper right here. Look at the difference. This thing is dirty. It's nasty. Probably got all kinds of DNA on it. All right, and we got. Oh, here we go again. Kaepernick, 194 out of 299. Single color relic. Event worn material. So there's a non-rookie card that's not game worn. Second year, so I guess they had some leftover event worn jerseys. They decided to not throw out any game worn material with this one. Going to the 49ers, Sean. Sean with the super cap, the Kaepernick. We got Larry Fitzgerald to close it out with the metal card, going to the Cardinals. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you the recap now. As always, if you skunked in this break, I will make sure you get at least a pack of cards. Meaning if you didn't get a relic or an autograph, I will make sure you get a little something extra in the mail in addition to any of the base cards that came out for your team or teams. Hope you enjoyed the break. Here comes your recap. I'm going to run through these base and parallels of the base cards real quick. Just going to show these so everybody that wants to watch later, not watch the whole break, can see them. Those are the ones that are shorter prints. Got some recycle over here. And these are all out of $3.99. I don't know why I top loaded this one. Sorry, it's a little blurry. I'm trying to get Trying to make it easier on me by adjusting my camera, but I can't get it perfect. That's the one that's top loaded. You can always rewind the video if you need to see any of these base cards. There's the cap right there. Hey. Sorry, I know that's annoying. That's the point. Just still trying to get through these base cards, making sure they're staying mostly visible on camera. Trying to look at the cards, look at the pile, make sure it's centered so that you guys can see them. All right, those are the base cards. Metal cards. Here's a recap of the metal cards. We got Larry Fitzgerald metal captains. We got Darren McFadden metal captains. Reggie Wayne metal captains. Kembrell Tompkins metal rookies. And Manti Te'o metal rookies. Those are the 5 metal cards. Whew, those things are heavy. And then we got, I'm not going to play it again, we got Relics, Kaepernick out of 299. I don't want to play it again. All right, so I'm not going to. Out of 99, Jarvis Green Ellis with a game-used relic. For the Steelers, we got Marcus Wheaton out of 299. We got Steve Johnson out of 299. That's the Bills, right? Yeah, Bills. Giovanni Bernard out of 299 for the Bengals. We got Tavon Austin for the Rams out of 99. Cordarrelle Patterson, 10 out of 10 for the Vikings. Super short print. E.J. Manuel for the Bills out of 25. Huge napkin out of 299. Deion Jordan for the Dolphins. Whoops, sorry, that's too high. And then the autos, it's a huge stack. We got like a lot of autos in this. No particular order here. This is basically reverse order that they came out in. Lamar Miller out of 25 for the Dolphins. John Bostic out of 25 for the Bears. Niall Davis for the Chiefs out of 99. Whoop, bumped my camera. Sorry about that. Niall Davis for the Chiefs out of 99. Monty Ball out of 25. On-card auto, 3-color patch. The Broncos. We got Quentin Patton for the Niners. We got, who is that again? That's Blitty Ray Wilson. 2 out of 5 super short print for the Titans. E.J. Manuel for the Bills out of 299. Kieran Mathieu for the Cardinals out of 99. Juwan Jameson out of 25 for the Redskins. Marquise Goodwin out of 99 for the Bills. Sorry, Noah. Ryan Nassib out of 99 RPA for the Giants. Timothy Wright for the Bucks out of 199. Philip Thomas out of 99 for the Redskins. Ryan Nassib out of 49 rather for the Giants. B.J. Daniels out of 25. Seahawks. Didn't get me there. Seahawks. And then we got Stedman Bailey. Jersey window auto. Wait, that was out of 99. And then another Stedman Bailey RPA out of 299. True RPA. DeAndre Hopkins. That's a nice one. 4 out of 99. 2 or 3 color relic there. On card auto RPA. And the 1 of 1. Ed Reed going to the Jets. Printing plate. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That does conclude the break. Sorry if you missed out on this one. I just opened the cards. I don't pack them. Yell at Panini for that one. Congrats to everybody that hit. This was the last break I have posted of this, at least for the next week. I might do a break of this in the group here. I'll post up a poll at some point. See if anybody's interested in doing a full case. If we have enough interest in doing that, I'll do it. Could do pick your team. I don't know if I can. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll post up a poll. We'll see what everybody wants to do. I don't know what I'll be having going up on eBay next, but at some point I will. But for now, the next couple breaks will be in the group here on Facebook. If you're watching this on YouTube later, join up our Facebook group if you got a Facebook. We post breaks in there all the time. Got a nice variety of older and newer stuff, so check it out. Facebook.com/groups/Eclipse Breaks. All right, guys, that's all I got for you tonight. All these cards will be in the mail tomorrow. Once again, sorry to anybody that missed on this one. I'll make sure you get at least a pack of cards, if not more. Unfortunately, not everyone can hit, even though there are 60 cards in this break. All right, guys, hope to see you in a future break. Have a wonderful night. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you on the flip side. Have a good one. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you.